Rahmat here. I am going to just show you the double foiling. Actually, I've posted a couple of videos on Instagram if you've noticed. So I thought I'll just do a quick one for you guys, just to show you the double foiling. So what I've done is I have used the floral mesh stencil from CrafTangles, and I've just applied the Deco Transer gel. And what you do is, after you apply it, need to go transparent, so that will tell you that it's ready for the foiling. It shouldn't be sticky. The foils I'm going to use is two. For the initial one, the first one, initial one, I'm going to use the pink foil from CrafTangles, and the other silver one is for the dual foiling, which is for the later stage. So I have my laminator ready already, up and running. So what I will do is I will just put this on in the laminator. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with the initial foiling here. Let's pull it out and see. Okay, that's nice. What I'm going to do now is, this is the first step. This card you can use as it is, the front, and for the next one you would need a toner sheet. What I have done is, I don't have the thick cardstock, so I just got it print on a regular printing paper, the thin one, and then I just glued it to a cardstock. So as long as you just choose a toner printer, laser printer, actually mine is an inkjet printer, so I can do that, and simply put it on this, and you're just going to run through the laminator again. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's see this transfer. It looks already gorgeous without peeling itself. You can see it's a very clear transfer, and you can leave it at this stage as it is, but I do want to go to the next step. Okay, let me tell you how does this work, this transfer works. The toner, it will not work on an inkjet printing paper. If you have printed the black of the inkjet, it won't work, because the toner, the laser printer, what it does is it uses toners, and when this toner is exposed to heat, it gets sticky, and that's how the foil sticks. So make sure that I'm going to do dual printing. So what I'm doing is, dual foiling, and I'm just going to, for this, simply put the silver one on top and go and run again. Okay, so I'm done running this one also. Let's pull it off. This is how it looks. The pink one was on the negative, and then I went and added another layer of the silver, and it's a dual foil, double foiling or dual foiling, whatever you want to call. But it's brilliant, and you run your hand over it, it's just seamless. There's nothing, it's wonderful. Actually, I've been doing a lot of experiments with that. This one was with negative. My foil, some of my foils were damaged in typhoon, so but I didn't throw, and I still use those. This you have seen on Instagram. This was a double foiling. This was the initial one, and then I have this one, initial stars, and this one was a double foiling one. So yeah, do your experiments and see what you like. So for today's one, these two are the ones. This is the stencil, and this is the negative one. So try it out and let me know, out of these two, which one you like. I think I like this one the more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.